Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys what I will be doing today. What I will be doing today. First of all, I will be making this hair. Like I will be making this my mama's hair. So she came to the house. She's just coming from work to come and make her hair and all that. Because she had been telling me, Peculiar, I want to make my hair. I want to make my hair. I say, okay, come. Anytime I tell her to come, she will tell me that she's always busy and all that, guys. Because we do the same type of job and all that. Because there's no time as she have 3 children, get so it's not easy. So today he said, Peculiar, I must do my hair. I said, okay, no problem. I am at home. But the thing is that I didn't wake up on time. Like, I did not wake up on time. I think I wake around 8 o'clock, like 1 minute after 8 or 2 minutes after 8. But I was so lazy trying to reply to some comments on my Facebook page, trying to reply to some comments on my YouTube, trying to edit some videos that morning before I get to do my house chores. But I could not do my house chores. I just decided to find breakfast to eat. So guys, what did you think about this hairstyle? Like, it's just normal Bob Marley, not too much. This is not a boss braid, it's a normal Bob Marley, okay? So that's what I am doing. And she used 3 pack, like 3 pack, 3.5 expression to braid this hair. Yes, 3.5 expression to make this hair and all that. So, and that is it. And she used 3 color, white, the other color something like Burberry, I don't know, and black. So that's what she used. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you like the hair and all that. So at this point I was so hungry because we started this hair after 12, let me see, almost to 1. We started making this hair. Guys, I finished making the hair because I do not want to vlog all around. So because I got to do like I got to do some other things in this video, not only that hair. So I wanted to vlog only the hair, but I said no, let me just do some other vlog inside. So I did not record everything for the part of the hair. So in this place I was just trying to show you the best spread that I will be using, because I just removed the old one, the white best spread. But this one is also white, but it's white and a blue. And the inner one is dirty. The inner bedspread is dirty, like the one you use to cover the bed is dirty. So I remove it, I put it inside the washing machine to go and wash it. So maybe after this, after I must have changed it, maybe by weekend, if I've changed the bedspread, I will put it again. I'll put the white bedspread and all that, like the white cover, okay? So I'm just trying to spread my bed though. Don't look my nyash, oh. Don't look my nyash, okay? Don't look it. Throw away your eye. Throw away your eye. So guys, this is what I'm just doing, oh, just trying to spread the bed. At this time it was 6 o'clock. Yes, exactly. Like, let me say 6:30 in the evening, because I finished that hair around 4 o'clock. I finished that hair 3:55. Yes, 3:55. That's when I finished that hair. That is when I finished that hair. 3:55. Before I trimmed the hair and all that, it was about after 4 and all that. So that is it, guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, okay? This one, the white one that I removed, and the bed cover, I took them to the washing machine area to go and wash them and all that. So I was just trying to tell you guys that I'm done with my bed spreading. So I just want to take this one to go and wash. And I've already cleaned the parlor. Immediately I make that hair, I've already cleaned the parlor and mop as well. I've already cleaned the parlor. Yes, I've already cleaned the parlor. So it's just remaining the bedroom. So I didn't want to take you guys along, because I don't know, I did not intend this video to be too much. So that is it. So guys, hope you are fine. So guys, If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. I put it in 2 hours 30 minutes because I want it to wash very well. Not that it's dirty too much because it's white. I normally change my bedspread once in a week. So I don't know when you change your bedspread. Let me know in the comment section when you change your bedspread, okay? Because there's no time to change bedspread every now and then. So I change every Saturday or Sunday, okay? But most times I change every Saturday, okay? So, and that is it. And you know, this one is white bedspread. I need to change it and all that. So that is it, guys. This rug, I've told Obi we should remove this rug, because this rug is giving me problem. Giving me problem because it's very difficult. This rug is very difficult. Like, the rug is very, very difficult to clean. Do you see me, how the way I'm scrubbing it at this time? I was so hungry. Like, I dey hungry since morning. Only the bread and latte, the bread and milk I took, that was only the things that I ate, you get. So just trying to sweep this place. So I went inside the bedroom and sweep inside the bedroom out. Then before I started washing, like, the rug is giving me tough time. As in, it's giving me tough time. Because to sweep rug is very, very, very hard. I don't know about you, but to sweep rug is so hard. So I clean, because most of the time when I do vlog, I don't intend to vlog inside the house and all that. But not because I don't want to show, but because most times I like to watch. Most times, before you see me cleaning the parlor, cleaning the bedroom, just know that I've already cleaned inside the room. So I don't intend to show maybe when I'm cleaning it, but sometimes I will just still show you, but not every of my vlog, you get. So just trying to clean all this place, all this table set and all that, you get. So this television and decoration, therefore they're not the owner. We not the owner. Oh, now the day we go still enter Obi go still on the television, but the television is working. But since we have in the parlor already, because that was the one that we were using before that time, we were in one room. That time we just got married, that we were living together, like we just newly get married that time, the time we did our traditional marriage that time. So we bought that television, and when we moved to this apartment like this, we now bought the bigger one. I know most of maybe you have seen it in my parlor and all that, I don't know. So we bought the bigger one. So since the bigger one is here, so we don't like to own that one again. So they say if you buy new thing, you go dey shark for body, but the old one you go abandon am for there. You go abandon am. At least e still good. Sometimes when we decided not to come to the parlor, both of us were inside the room, we can just be using to play our traditional music. Most times I'll be using to play African music and all that. So this is me showing you guys. I want to clean. It's time for me to clean my bedroom and all that. But most especially my toilet. You know, toilet, like the WC, the water system. That particular place, I normally clean. Like, if I want to go to toilet, like I want to go and press, I want to go and shear. Like, I normally wash it. So that is me, because I am that kind of person that any slight. So that's why you see me clean. Anytime you see me clean this bedroom, like say my life depends on it. My life did not depend on it, because I'm that kind of person. Anything like this, anything you don't know, like my body na touch and follow. Do you get? So I like to clean that WC. Like, I like to wash it inside. I like to wash inside. I've already washed inside. I've already washed inside before I started recording and all that. So, and anytime I want to go to bedroom, I like to wash that place, because if I want to go to toilet, I will wash inside that like that place you used to sit down everywhere. I will wash it. Sometimes my husband will be telling me, how can somebody be washing the WC every time you want to go to toilet? I tell him that even if we are just living, like, imagine two people are living together in the same room. You know men now, if they go to bedroom, sometimes the wee or the piece will stain, like the wee, it will stain the top of that place that's you as a woman you want to sit down. I don't know if you understand. So I need to wash all those, that piece even cause infection, you understand, because it's inside the toilet already. So I need to wash all those places. Like most of the time I don't get to show you inside the bedroom, like wash the bedroom, just because of that. Only the bedroom can even take like one personal video. Do you get? Only the bedroom. Like if I really wanted to vlog inside the bedroom, like wash the bedroom with you, only the bedroom, it will take one personal video. So that's why most times I don't vlog inside the bedroom when I'm washing it. I just show when before you see me mopping the ground, just already know that maybe I must have washed the bedroom, like I must have washed the bedroom and all that. Like for past how many, like for 2 weeks now, I've not washed the bedroom because that time I was very sick. But Obi was helping me to wash the the bedroom, but not inside where we are bathing. So I've not washed inside where we are bathing like for the past how many days now and all that. So I decided to wash it today because I'll be sick. But thank God now I am getting better. Like I am better. I am better now. So sickness not be my own. Do you get? So after washing the bedroom, I just clean this door because the water splash on it and all that. And this is my parlor. I told you guys that I've already mopped it, cleaning my telephone for the gate and all that. So guys, if you are enjoying this voiceover background, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know. So guys, this is what I cleaned. I've already arranged everywhere, my bed, like everywhere. I just finished cleaning. Just finished cleaning everywhere now. So I just finished cleaning. So let me take you to the parlor. That's my ring light. Like I've already cleaned this parlor. I've already cleaned everywhere. As you can see, that's my mirror there. I was trying to do some video before, so I just finished cleaning. Yeah, I just finished cleaning. Hey guys, I just finished cleaning. Like this is evening time. I started about 6 o'clock. So this is evening time because in the morning after taking my breakfast, I was not able to do anything. I just tried to make that hair, the hair you just saw. So I made that hair. I started the hair at about 12 o'clock. At that time, I've not been able to do anything in the house because it's Saturday now. I need to rest. I need to relax, okay? So after finishing the hair around 4 o'clock, so I tried to upload my video on YouTube. Then I tried to look for something to eat because I've not eaten since morning. I just tried to warm some rice and all that. So, and that is it. The day don't finish. Like they don't finish like this. So I said, let me put my scrub. This is my scrub. Is remaining small. This is my scrub. That see. Now heat now make the scrub dey like this now. See heat all over. So I need to wash it out. First of all, I need to wash my hand. So guys, I hardly go to toilet like public place unless when I am at work because I know I am cleaning that place very well. No, I hardly go to toilet and all that. No. I hardly because I know say anything my body will don't carry am. So I hardly go to toilet. So guys, this scrub, I've already put this scrub on my face for the past 2 hours now. I've been cleaning and all that. I eat with the scrub safe. So and that is it. So I want to go and take my bath now. So guys, got to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to go and take my bath now. I will see you all on my next video. If you are watching from Facebook, thank you so much for watching. If you are watching from YouTube, you guys are just the best. Thank you so much. Ciao.